You know, I've always thought about skydiving, but the whole jumping out of a perfectly good airplane thing has been a bit of a hang-up for me. Fortunately, there's a way you can fly without the dive. That's why I'm here at iFly Fort Lauderdale to do the next best thing.
Bloody flies a little different.
Right.
And let me adjust you. I'm going to adjust your hands here.
Okay.
I might put you out here.
Right.
I just don't want to see you here
Okay.
or down here.
This is gonna make me nosedive, right?
Yep, and it's going to make you nosedive. So up here, right here,
Cheeseburger.
just like this, cheeseburger. All right? So, yeah,
All right.
good job, man.
Thank you. Let's go.
Step right into it like pants, adult onesie, right? The little foot straps, do not wear these, all right? It makes my life a lot easier in there. Zipper goes in front, make sure you zip that thing up, man. If you don't, that thing opens up, things get a little crazy in there.
Indoor skydiving is actually considered a sport. Your core's engaged, your glutes are engaged, your arms, it's a workout.
Woo! Oh my God, what an experience.
Oh,
That was insane. Justin, come over here. I got Justin here. He's our great instructor that we had. Justin, that's insane.
I know, right? It's great. It's the next best thing to skydiving, you know?
Yeah. So how does this compare to actual skydiving?
As far as body movement and this transfers to the sky, absolutely. It's been a great training tool, and it's really progressed the sport a lot just because we have this now. This kind of stuff didn't happen 10 years ago, the tricks and the flips and stuff, so it's really pushed the sport and progressed the sport. It's a great training tool for skydivers.
all ages are welcome. We even saw a 14-year-old. A 14-year-old.
I've been doing this for a long time, and it's so fun. I love it here. The Kids Club is when there's a bunch of children that want to do the same thing as I do, want to learn, want to be so cool like them. I want to skydive in the future, and I can't wait to do it.
And no one is left out of the fun. I mean no one.
So who can do this?
Everybody, like I said, all ages from 3 to 103. We have an all abilities night once a month. We have wheelchairs. I've actually flown people who are completely blind. This is for everybody.
Wow.
Everybody can do this.
That's impressive. So flying's really the great equalizer, that everybody's equal in the sky.
Absolutely, absolutely.
The craziness you saw at the end was Justin and his teammate just flying all over the place.
Cool beans, Team Cool Beans.
Team Cool Beans. I appreciate it very much. Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure, man.
You know?
Anytime, anytime.
You know, I think I'm ready for the real thing. This is what I trained for.